हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम देखते हैं एसएमसी ट्रेडिंग ऐप में आप शेयर्स की बाइंग और सेलिंग खरीद फरोख्त कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए पहला स्टेप है, आइए डैशबोर्ड पे चलते हैं हम एसएमसी ट्रेडिंग ऐप पे।
Just go here, we'll go into the trade part. In trade, we'll click buy and sell. Say for example, I want to search something, say SBI. SBI card, SBI bank, life and all. So I will just buy this. Equity. So for example, you want to buy it. But if you see all here, you will see also your options available, futures and options available. So we will rather go here in equities and we will go SBI, State Bank of India. Now you will have ETFs and all those stocks here. So we'll just click buy. I want to buy, say for example, margin. I will buy delivery because I am not an intraday trader, or I don't want to. Because it's always better to buy it on the cash or the pledged amount that you are having. So I will just click delivery. This is this, and we will submit. Processing, you can change the quantity and you can change all other things that will be in this. So I will just see what is my order book. So this is the order book. I will just see what is my order. Order could be success or order could be a failure. So I will see what is the net positions. So this is the net position. This is already standing. So this stock has been bought. Now on the same lines, if I have to sell some stock, how I can do it? I can do it two ways. Either if I want to just sell it, I can sell it right without owning it, or I can just go on to my portfolio. So if I have any stocks lying here, I will just select the stock and then sell it. This is how I can do. Or otherwise, if intraday I have made certain buying and then I want to sell it, then also I can do it. So if you see at the bottom, you have watch list, you have orders, you have net positions, you have portfolios. So in portfolio, I already have SBI which has been bought. So and all value contracts was earlier bought. So I will just click here. I want to sell it. I want to sell it. I am selling it. I am selling it at the market rate. Okay, I'm sending it and I am doing this. Success. So I will just see what is the net position. So if you see, I am not holding anything on this, and 0.45 paise is the net MTM profit or loss that has been made on the transactions. So this is how it was bought one, sold one at an NSE. Average buy price was this, average buy value was this, average sell rate was this, sell value was this. Sell value is the cumulative of all the numbers here. So quantity multiplied by the sale rate means your sell value. Similarly, buy quantity multiplied by the buy rate means your buy value. So this is how it goes. You want to see the depth, what is the depth of the market, you can see it. If you want to see the chart, you can just click it and then see how the chart has been doing. Okay, and then you can just do the needful on this. This is how you can even analyze it. Now based on this charting also, you can then make a buy and sell of this. So these are the stock values. If you want to see the fund value, this is the cash margin of 5,000 because this fund was transferred, which I showed in one of the videos. So here it is in the funds view, you can see the fund value. So this is how you can make a buying and the selling of a share, whether it is an intraday or whether it is delivery based, totally based on your, for example, delivery trades or futures and options. You can do it same way. The logic is the same. So here it is also says the order status is 2 transactions have been executed. We have made a bought and we have also sold the stocks. If we had maintained some positions, then we would have seen that what positions have been. So my positions for today is 0.45 paise of the profit that I just did by immediately buying and selling of a share for illustrative purpose. So this is how it goes. Here you can see the portfolios. 2 stocks had been there. What is the position? What is the sectorial positions? And what are the stocks? You want to click here. You can see the movers and shakers of the portfolio. So then you need to explore the app for better understanding of the ecosystem on which you are buying or selling.